Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy EJ. I'm coming to you with another unboxing of another BOYA mic. So what I'm thinking right now is if we can get the subscribers up to 500, I'm going to do a giveaway because I'm not going to need all of these microphones. You know what I'm saying? I got the BOYA mic 2, but I also got the BOYA mic 1. So we might be doing a BOYA mic 1 giveaway, you know, once we hit, well, I don't know how I'm gonna do it exactly, but you know what I'm saying, we're gonna definitely do a giveaway of the BOYA mic and the X5M, a wireless microphone system. We're gonna do one at 500 and then we're gonna do one at 1,000 subscribers, you know what I'm saying? So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, but you're watching this video, go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe because only the subscribers can win, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you subscribe. We also got other giveaways as well, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that giveaway at 500 and 1,000 because we're gonna go ahead and get EJ Adventure X monetized, you know what I'm saying? Because guys, I think I might want to go ahead and move into full-time YouTubing, you know what I'm saying? So we got to get this thing started and start doing some bigger travels, some bigger reviews and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? But on today, we're gonna knock out the Boyalink 3. And just to put it out there for those people who looking at me doing a BOYA on the Canon V10, I'm probably gonna do it with this one here, or I would do it with the BOYA mic 2. I'm not sure which one, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned for that video as well. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to do more of a walkthrough because so many people ask questions when you doing these things. And I'm also gonna do a wireless mic video on the Ultracompact as well. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead because I don't want to keep rambling. Let's just go ahead and get with the unboxing. Like I said, guys, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button so we can get this channel up. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you want to see more videos like this because we do got a lot more coming. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys, here we go. The Boyalink 3. I did skip number 2. I went straight to number 3. The number 2 is more like the version 1, but they totally went different. They went round on the 3 versus the long skinny ones. So let's open this. Here's the box pretty much. Show it to you guys. Boyalink 3. I don't know how good that's focusing, guys, but y'all gonna have to bear with me. Normally I don't use the Lumix S9 in this manner, but it is what it is. We're gonna start with the accessories. Let's see what we got in the accessories box. See what we got in accessories. Oh, look like the usual suspects. Including some manuals. Always read your manual. They got some QC codes on there. But there's your manual. We're going to set that aside. Here is your USB-A to USB-C cable. You probably got tons of those. Here's your mic, 3.5. And they're giving you 2 of these clips. And of course you got your wind muffs. Two wind muffs. This is not candy, guys, so don't eat that. And your standard BOYA bag that they give pretty much with all of their stuff. This is what I want to see as far as the size goes. Let's see what kind of size we're working with. The case is definitely a little bit different. Normally with the Boyalinks, the case is flat. This is kind of like the same type of case like the BOYA Mic 2 case. It's just a tad bit small and got rounded corners on it. And here goes your little microphones. Yeah, there your microphones go. See how easy it is to put them in the little... Okay. It's not bad. There you go. Need to defuzz this windscreen. Wait, this thing got two mics. Oh, okay. So it got not two mics, but two magnets. Okay. So this magnet here is for when you want to do it to your shirt. I don't know if you can see that. There's actually a magnet right there. And you can just plug that in through your shirt. They also got two little grooves in here so that when you put it on the charge, you can make sure your pins and stuff is lined up. And here goes the receiver. This receiver pretty small. Now this receiver here, you're only getting a mic jack on it. You're not getting anything else. You're only getting a mic jack and a USB-C cable out the back. So I'm assuming you can use the USB-C cable to go into your computer to do audio on your computer. And I got the version that only has the USB-C. I did not see a 3.5 jack connector. I'm going to check again to see if they have a 3.5 jack connector. Because I normally like to use a 3.5 on mine. Especially if I'm going to use it with like the Canon V10 or any of my other cameras. I like using the 3.5 jack. See if I can use it on my cell phone without taking the case off. Oh yeah, it look like it's gonna go. Yeah, it did. And that's what it would look like on your cell phone. Or if you had it stuck into your laptop or whatever, that's what it would look like. Not bad at all. It's pretty light. You should be able to use it even too with your gimbal. We'll test it out on the cell phone and on something else later. And of course, here's your other microphone. And it has the magnet on the back too. Got your power button. And I'm assuming this button here is how you change your noise reduction levels. Got another QC code on the bottom that you can scan to get your information. Yeah, these mics are pretty light, guys. They're pretty light. Let me see if you can put this in without taking that. Oh yes, there it is. So you don't have to take the USB-C connection off of it. You can leave it on there and it'll go straight in the case. And that's pretty much going to do it for that, guys. We're not going to make this video long. This is the BOYA mic version 3. All right, guys, you kind of got a 2-for-1 on that one right there. I'm actually using the BOYA mic 2 right now, so you can leave a comment below. Let me know how this microphone sound while we unbox the Boyalink version 3. You know what I'm saying? The Boyalinks is pretty much the smaller version, and this BOYA mic 2 is more of the professional version. Like I said, for all you guys who hung in on this video, once we hit the 500 subscribers, we're probably going to do the X5M first at 500 subscribers. And then at 1,000 subscribers, we're going to do the BOYA mic version 1. You know what I'm saying? We're going to do that one. You know what I'm saying? So check out the videos that I got. I'm pretty sure I got a video on both of them, and you can see what the quality and stuff is like. And that's going to be probably my first 2 giveaways. We got some more giveaways that's going to come after that, so stay tuned, because I can't keep all of this items that I be reviewing. Most time I do give them away to family and friends, but I mean, what the heck, I might as well give them to my subscribers too, right? So yeah, let's have some fun, guys, with these giveaways. And on top of that, let's make sure we hit that like, share, and subscribe. And of course, leave a comment below, you know what I'm saying? And check out one of these videos that YouTube is recommending, because the algorithm like it when you click on the second video as well. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to try to link them together so that you get the videos in the same quality or about the same topic or whatever like that. But however we do it, we're going to just go for this channel to make it full time. You know what I'm saying? So we can really start putting out a ton more content, because my job keeps me so busy. A lot of times it's hard for me to come out and make videos for you guys. You know what I'm saying? But hey, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.